Hi everyone, meteorologist Bill Rentschler in the 1011 Now streaming studio. Again, we've seen a lot of severe weather today across parts of central Nebraska, multiple tornadoes that we've seen. Reports on the ground across parts of, again, central Nebraska, Phelps, Dawson, Hall, Adams counties, but the severe weather threat for eastern sections of the state waning a little bit. As again, we're losing the heating of the day as the sun has gone down. Also, the fact that we've seen cloudy skies for most of the day is really probably going to put a lid on our severe weather potential as we head over the next few hours. Still, though, could see some thunderstorm activity as we head over the next few hours for Lincoln and eastern sections of the state. Starting off, a look at the observed precip from the day today. Again, some areas seeing some very heavy rain with thunderstorms that have moved through. Broken Bow, in particular, seeing almost over 5 inches of rain from thunderstorms moving through the area today. So again, we do still have some flash flood issues in parts of Custer County and in the Broken Bow area. But again, areas like Ord seeing almost 2 inches of rain. Valentine, just over an inch and a half, just over an inch in Ainsworth, almost 2 inches in Norfolk, inch 85 in Lexington, inch 65 in Chadron. So again, many areas across the state seeing quite a bit of moisture in Lincoln. 1,200 so far today at the Lincoln Airport. We may add on to that a little bit as we head through the remainder of your Thursday. We still have a tornado watch that's in place through 7 p.m. on your Thursday. Again, you can see, though, that's been trimmed up from the original watch that was issued earlier this afternoon, just kind of a narrow corridor from up near Holt County down to the Nebraska-Kansas border, currently under that tornado watch through 7 p.m. on Thursday. Again, recording this video a little after 6, so again, those will likely be gone within the next hour or so. If you look at the rapid refresh model, though, again, still, while the severe weather threat is waning for eastern Nebraska, it doesn't mean we won't see thunderstorms, but as thunderstorms move into eastern sections of the state, with how stable the atmosphere is, there's not a lot of thermodynamics for these storms to tap into. So again, they may weaken a little bit as they move into parts of eastern Nebraska, but short-term models still indicating the potential for some thunderstorms to move through the area as we head between now and midnight tonight across the eastern sections of the state. And again, while likely most of this activity won't be severe, we can't rule out maybe one or two of them still being on the stronger side, but again, I think for the most part, a lot of this activity is not expected to be on the strong to severe side. Meanwhile, we still have areas of rain and even areas of snow ongoing across parts of northwestern Nebraska through 10 o'clock tonight. Past 10 o'clock, this low pressure system continues to spin through the state, wrapping around moisture across parts of western and central sections of the state into Friday morning. Still likely dealing with some scattered showers across the region, cloudy skies and winds becoming very breezy, and that's going to be kind of the way it is through most of the day on Friday. Overcast skies, some pockets of drizzle, precipitation kind of here and there across the state, very windy conditions and cool conditions as well, and that continues as we head through your Friday night. Any area high school football games will definitely require some winter gear, as again, it will be pretty chilly by Friday evening. Again, high wind warnings are in place across central and western Nebraska from Thursday evening through Friday evening. Top end wind gusts in these areas could approach 60 miles an hour. We'll likely see a wind advisory issued for parts of eastern Nebraska as we head into the day tomorrow. We won't quite meet the high-end criteria of the wind gust to see a high wind warning, but again, we could still see winds gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour, I think, at times through the day on Friday for Lincoln and eastern sections of the state. Again, if you look at the future wind gusts, already blustery out there right now, but again, just depends on where you are, on which side of the low as to which direction those winds are coming from. But as that low moves east tonight into the day tomorrow, we'll see those winds eventually for everyone turn to the north and to the northwest, and again could gust 40, 50 miles an hour for eastern Nebraska. Those areas in the high wind warning potentially as high as 60 miles an hour. Even by 10 o'clock Friday night, we still have pretty blustery conditions across the eastern sections of the state. In terms of temperatures, morning lows, look for those to fall down into anywhere from the low 30s to the low 40s from west to east across the state. High temperatures on Friday only topping out into the anywhere from the low 40s to the low to mid 50s. And again, keep in mind, this is going to come with winds that are going to be howling out of the north and northwest. So wind chills by Friday afternoon likely settling into the 30s and 40s for most of the state.